जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी यशोदानंदन ब्रजजन रंजन यशोदानंदन ब्रजजन रंजन यमुना तीर बनचारी यमुना तीर बनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी यशोदानंदन ब्रजजन रंजन यशोदानंदन ब्रजजन रंजन यमुना तीर बनचारी यमुना तीर बनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य जय अनंत कोटि वैष्णव की जय रामाचार्य श्री हरिदास ठाकुर की जय प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण श्री राधा कृष्ण को गोपनाथ श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड की जय वृंदावन धाम की जय नवदीप धाम की जय गंगा माई की जय जमुना माई की जय द्वारका धाम की जय स्वामी भक्तवृंद की जय और ग्लोरी टू और ग्लोरी टू थैंक यू वेरी मच
The original fragrance of the earth, and I am the fire. I am the life of all that live, and I am the penance of all that sleep.
So Krishna is describing how he is spread everywhere in details. In the beginning, before this verse, he has mentioned in so many ways. So we can see Krishna in every step and every moment. If we practice to see Krishna, it is not difficult. Whenever there is fragrance, just like rose flower, beauty and fragrance. You can immediately remember Krishna. Here is Krishna. Simply, we have to practice it. So, as soon as you remember Krishna, or you say or utter the word Krishna, immediately Krishna is contacts you. You are in contact with Krishna immediately. And if you remain constantly in contact with Krishna by studying all these details, then where is the lack of Krishna consciousness? And if you remain always in that way, Krishna conscious, then you are the topmost yogi. Yogi nam api sarvesham. Very easy. It is not at all difficult. Simply you have to practice. As soon as there is nice fragrance, nice flower in another place, it is said that the nice flower or any flower that is fructified, that is blooming, that is smiling of Krishna. You can see Krishna is smiling as soon as you see a flower. But I do not know why they say, can you show me Krishna? Krishna is showing himself in so many ways. They will not take it. It is not at all difficult to see Krishna every moment, in every step. If we study what Krishna said, this is Punnaganga Pratibhyant. Everything is there. Now, within the earth, every stalk is there. The flavor of rose flower is there, and the flavor of some other flower is also there. But you cannot take out by your so-called scientific chemical process. You take some lump of earth and extract from it the flavor of rose. It is there. That is a fact, because you sow the seed of a rose flower, it will extract the rose flavor from the earth. That's a fact. You can deny it. Otherwise, where from the flavor is coming? Krishna also he said, Jivanam Sarvabhuteshu is the life, seed. Bijam, next verse he will say, Bijam Sarvabhutan. Bija, the seed. The seed is so nicely made by Krishna's brain that as soon as you put on the seed within the earth and put some water, it will come out, fructify and gradually grow and exact the flavor, the color, everything. This is a fact, no? Everybody knows. Not only that, a small seed of banyan tree, Bijam Sarvabhutana, there is also Krishna. Otherwise, how this wonderful thing can happen? A small seed, just like a mustard seed, and it not only one tree, but many millions of fruits, and in each fruit many millions of trees. This is Krishna's brain. You cannot do that. The so-called manufacturer, they can manufacture one watch, very complicated, but not that from that watch many watches will come. No, that is not. But Krishna is so powerful, omnipotent, that he has manufactured, because he is there. Bijam Sarvabhutam. Whenever he is there, he can play wonderful things. This is study of Krishna consciousness. Very difficult. Bija Punnagandha Pratibhyancha Tejas Chasmi Vibhav. Now this electric lamp, it is brilliant, or it has got some heat, temperature. Where from it is coming? It is coming from Krishna. That's a fact. Cause of all causes. Ishvara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadiradi Govinda Sarva Karana Karana. This is a fact. These are explained here. Everything that is there, Janmadasya. But we should not, like Mayavadi, we should not make mistake, because the electric bulb or electric light is being caused by Krishna. Therefore the electric lamp is Krishna. No, not that. Krishna always separate from the electric lamp. The Mayavadi says that because Krishna is there in the electric lamp, or in the tree, or in the seed, or in the collar, or in the feather, therefore Krishna is finished. There is no more Krishna. Because Krishna has spread himself in so many ways, then Krishna is finished. This is material concept. It's like you take a piece of paper and make it small fragment and throw it, then the original paper is lost. This is material. But Krishna is not like that. Krishna is the person, and from his energy, so many varieties of productions are coming out. But still, he is existing. Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Bhushti. He is Purna. Not that because so many things have been taken from Krishna, Krishna is finished. This is material life. They cannot conceive of the omnipotence. They accept God is omnipotent, but they cannot understand what is that omnipotence. The omnipotence is that so many things are being manifested by the Krishna's energies, but Krishna is not Lord. Krishna is there. We haven't got to worship so many things. Pantheism. No, that is not our. Pantheism is the same idea that Krishna or the absolute truth has become divided into so many ways. Therefore, everything combined together is the absolute truth. This is the theory of pantheism. But our is Vedic proposition that Krishna is the cause of everything. Varieties of material and spiritual things are there, but it's Krishna's identity is there in Vrindavan. Vrindavanam parittajya padam ekam nagaccha. Krishna is there. Akhilatma bhuta golokaiva nivasati akhilatma. That is stated. Golokanarni nijadhamni talecha tasya devi mahesha haridhamasu tesu tesu tete prabhava nichaya vihitastu jena govindamani purusham kavam advaite achyuti anadi ananta rupam adyam purana purusham navajauvanancha vedeshu dullava adurlava atmabhaktau. So, these features of Krishna, how he is simultaneously one and different. Achinta Vedara. Krishna is this electric lamp, and still he is not the electric lamp. Krishna is this pillow, but he is not the pillow. When we say that Krishna is everything, therefore just like some big mission they say, anything we accept as God, it is all right. No, we do not say. Neither Krishna says. When Krishna speaks of worshipping, he does not say that he worships the electric light or something else. Mamekam. That is himself. Not that Krishna has become everything, therefore everything has to be worshipped. No. This is wrong. This is Atyanta Vedanta. You have to take shelter of Krishna personality. Mamekam sadhanam, not the variety. You have to understand that varieties are dependent on Krishna. But not that because there are varieties, therefore Krishna is finished. No, that is not the philosophy. Jivanam sarvabhuteshu tapaschasmi tapassusu. Especially tapassi. Tapassi means those who are seeking after eternal happiness. Karmis, yogis, there are many tapassis. But real tapassi, tapodibham. That is, dibham means transcendental. Just perform tapasya for realizing Krishna. Tapodibham. Otherwise, Hiranyakashipu, he also performed tapasya. What was that tapasya? He performed severe tapasya, so much so that the whole universe became perturbed and Brahmaji came to see what you want. Now I am performing tapasya but becoming immortal. So if you make me immortal, it is very kind of you. You say, I am myself not immortal, how can I make you immortal? That is not possible. So the idea is, he also performed tapasya, but that tapasya was for material gain. But that is not tapasya. Tapasya means to undergo voluntarily some inconveniences of this body because you are accustomed to enjoy bodily senses. Tapasya means voluntarily to give up the idea of sense gratification, and that is tapasya. Tapasya, just like Ekadashi. Ekadashi, one day fasting, fortnight. There is also tapasya, or fasting in some other auspicious day. That tapasya is good, even for health. And what to speak of advancing Krishna consciousness. So we should accept this tapasya. The upavas, there are many prescribed days for fasting. We should observe. And the preliminary tapasya, no illicit sex, no gambling, no intoxication, no meat eating. There may be some inconvenience, those who are accustomed to this practice, but we will have to accept. Tapodibham putraka suddheta satya. If we want to purify our existence, at the present moment our existence is not purified, impure. Therefore we are suffering. Just like when one's physiological condition becomes infected, he suffers from fever and other symptoms of disease. Similarly, we are suffering in this material world on account of this material body. If we want really happiness, then we must accept tapasya. Tapasya is required. Without tapasya, if you think that very easily or without tapasya I can get it, simply by imagination, then you become sahaja. To take things very easily. No. tapasya. Therefore Krishna says that tapasyasmi tapasya. That acceptance of tapasya means that tapasya is itself Krishna. You associate with Krishna. When you voluntarily give up meat eating or intoxication, this giving up, this process is Krishna. Krishna says, tapasyasmi tapasya. This is tapasya. Tapasya means to accept voluntarily something as enjoined in the Shastra. Shastra says, Krishna says. Whatever Krishna says, that is Shastra. What is Ved? Ved means what Krishna says, that is Ved. There is another Ved. Just like in the Srimad Bhagavatam it is said, Tene Brahma Rida. Brahma Rida. Brahma means Ved. Brahma, Sabda Brahma. So, Krishna, Tene, imparted, injected. Brahma, Vedic Shabda. Shabda Brahma, Veda. Tene Brahma Rida, through the heart. Krishna is situated in everyone's heart. So, Brahma had no other spiritual master, but Krishna is there within the heart. Therefore Krishna's name is Chaitya Guru. Buddhi Yogam Dadanitam. The Chaitya Guru, the Guru, Krishna is so kind. He is Guru within. And when we are serious, he manifests himself as a spiritual master. This is described in the Chaitanya Charita. So, Guru is helping from inside and from outside. Antarbhahi. Krishna is so kind. Therefore, Krishna manifests himself as spiritual master. Therefore, Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur said, Sakshad Hari. Sakshad Haritena Samasta Shastrai. Manifestation of empowered. One who is pure, devotee, is empowered by Krishna to act as spiritual master. Therefore, spiritual master should be accepted. Sakshad Haritena Samasta Shastrai. Urupta, it is described there. Tatha bhavata eva sadhi. Those who are learned scholar, actual devotee, they accept. But that does not mean Guru is Krishna. Kintu Prabhuja Priya eva. Then if you accept means you honor spiritual master as good as Krishna, because he is representative. But not that Mahabharata philosophy, that Guru and Krishna is the same. This is simultaneously one and different. Kintu Prabhuja Priya eva. He is as good as Krishna because he is very, very dear to us. Why dear? Because he is preaching on behalf of Krishna. What Krishna wants, he is doing that. That's what is very dear. Krishna wants everyone. Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam sarvam. The Guru's business is that. Krishna does not mean that he takes the position of Krishna. He simply teaches people that you who accept Krishna, the Supreme Personality of God, you surrender unto Him. You always think of Him. You always offer your obeisances. You become a pure devotee of Krishna. This is Guruji. It is not very difficult. Anyone who is sincere, be following Krishna's instruction and instructing others also to do that. That is Achara. Apani achari Prabhu jivere shikha. This is Achara. You behave yourself exactly as it is stated in the Shastra as it is ordered by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, as it is ordered by Krishna. Apani achari jiveri sikhai. And you teach all your disciples who comes to you as your disciple, teach them. This is Acharya. So Acharya, Guru, representative, it is not difficult. Simply one has to become very, very sincere. One must undergo the simple tapasya as prescribed in the Shastra. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, yes. Haridas Thakur. Apani Achari Prabhuji. He was preaching also the glorification of chanting Hare Krishna by personal example. Therefore, he is accepted as Guru. All the Vaishnavas, all the Acharyas, Goswamis, they acted according and preached. Therefore, they are Acharya. And Krishna says, Acharya mang vijanya, namamanne to karvichi. This is that in instruction. So, this Krishna consciousness movement is there. It is very simple. There is no difficulty. We have to always manmana bhava bhakta. Now, for us, those who are materially attached, we cannot think 24 hours of Krishna. It is very pleasing, but because we are materially attached, we cannot do. Therefore, Krishna is prescribing that you see the varieties of this material world and try to remember. These are the varieties. Punnaganga pratibhyancha, tejasagni vibhavaso. You study, nature study. Just like you study, nature study. Similarly, you study nature and see this important point and there. It is very scientific. You study nature and pick up some point and Krishna says that this is I. Very difficult. This is Krishna consciousness. You drink water, you remember Krishna. You see the light, remember Krishna. You see the flavor, aroma, a very nice flower, Punnaganga, immediately. Right. It is not difficult. Actually, we have to think of Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Always thinking of Krishna, Manmana Bhavamat Bhakta. Here is Krishna's form. Therefore we have to worship deity. Constantly if we worship, then Krishna's form is always impressed. I can see Krishna any time. If I close my eyes, I will see Krishna. Hare Krishna is nicely dressed. I see Krishna is very pleasingly eating what I have prepared with devotion, bhaktya. Real thing is bhakta, not official. Not official. Patram pushpam phalam toyam jyomi bhaktya prajakya. He does not accept anything. Even it is not offered with bhakti and by the bhakta. He does not accept. Why he shall accept? Is he hungry like me? No. He simply wants to see how we have learned to love Krishna, bhakti. How you are eager to serve Krishna. That is Krishna want to see. Otherwise, he does not require your service. Lakshmi Sahasra Sata Sambrama Sevaman is always being served by hundreds and thousands of goddess of fortune. They are so much afraid that goddess of, we are praying here, goddess of fortune. My mother, goddess of fortune, give me some fortune. The goddess of fortune is afraid if Krishna may reject. That's why Rukmini, when Krishna was joking with her, she thought maybe Krishna is going to leave me. Immediately fainted. that is the goddess of fortune. So humbly, so fearfully, they are engaged in Krishna's service. What Krishna's service we can do? What we are? We are nothing. Insignificant. So, why Krishna accepts our service? Why he comes in his Archa Murti to accept our service? Just to induce you how to serve him. Bhakti. That is what. Therefore he said. So you give me even patram pushpam phalam tuyam. Doesn't matter. But give me bhakti. Jumi bhaktya prajakshit. This is real. If you have no bhakti, if you officially make, Krishna does not touch you. Krishna is not so poor. Lakshmi sahasra sata samrama sepoma govindamadi purusam. So whatever you do, you should always be humble. Krishna, I am quite unfree. So, whatever I could collect with my capacity, kindly accept. This is our only. Otherwise, don't be proud that I am doing so much for Krishna. Krishna will oblige to accept it. It is not like that. Vinad Vishnu Chena Taroropi Sahistam. This is one. So, it is very easy, very sublime. But we have to learn. And learning is also not very difficult. Here is everything, variety. You always think of Krishna and Krishna giving buddhi yogam dadami tam. Tesham nitya vijukkala bhajatam priti guru. Tesham nitya one who is always thinking of Krishna. Here is Krishna, here is Krishna, here is Krishna. Nitya vijukkala. Tesham nitya vijukkala. Krishna, you cannot cheat Krishna. That is not possible. Krishna is within your heart, he is seeing everything, your intention, your purpose, your activities, everything. Upadrashta, in the Bhagavad Gita, it is Upadrashta, Anumantya. He is witness. You cannot cheat Krishna. Be sincere and try to serve him. He will accept your service. And you give intelligence, your life will be successful. Thank you very much.